How do we start all our putting lessons?
10. You have to make 10 3-footers.
Yep, and what number are you on now?
8.
So you got to make 9, 10. Alright, let's see it. Okay, it's the final one, otherwise we have to do what?
All over again.
Exactly. So, real quick before you hit this, there's a little pressure because you don't want to have to do this drill again, right? And that's what we're trying to do. When we practice, we're trying to create the pressure we feel on the course as best we can. So this little 3-footer, you know, when you're on 18, you want to make it. I'm not trying to psych you out, I'm just trying to show you that these are important putts, but it's just another putt. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's no difference from this 3-footer than the one that you do on the first hole. You just need to trust your line, be confident with your stroke, roll it in the heart, okay? Because you can make this, you've done it 9 times. Just trust it and rock and roll. Never a doubt, I love it. We're going to that blue flag straight ahead, but you just pulled it left of the tree. And it's easy to get into a rhythm on the driving range where you're just pounding balls and you kind of forget. Forget who said it, but I want to say it was Jack Nicklaus. He talked about not just aiming at a tree, but picking a leaf he wanted to hit it on. And all that's talking about as far as the mental game goes is the sharper your focus is, the sharper and tighter your misses can be. If you think general, you can hit it general. If you really try and pinpoint, think about landing it at a golf ball out there or at the pin, and think about something really specific, that dials your focus in. So what I want you to do when you hit this next shot is set up, take a look at the target, and then when you look back at the ball, just be fixated on that target in the distance. I want you really thinking about where you're trying to get the ball to end up, okay? So Emilio, your first drive, solid but in the rough. As you can see, there's a tree overhanging our line. So what do you think about here?
Well, the same shot in the PAT.
Mm-hmm.
And I just chose to just chip it up right against the fringe.
Mm-hmm.
And just try to get it up and down from the fringe.
I would say you have 60 yards to the hole probably. What I would probably do is take like a little 8-iron and just try and punch it at the hill.
Okay.
Just kind of right of the right edge of the green.
Okay.
Just like a little, it's like a long chip. Just think about banking it kind of just past where those birds are. And then if you put it there, it gives yourself a good chance to chip up.
Okay.
And then make par. So here we are, we avoided the tough shot of going into the water, which was the goal on that shot. Now we're faced with this chip. We have green to work with to that red pin. Now where are you looking to aim this? Where's it going to funnel? Do you think about where it's going to break?
Yeah, it's going to funnel towards the water.
Mm-hmm.
So I know I have to go...
I'd say about 5 feet left.
Yeah, 5 feet left and then plan on the rollout.
Yeah, so kind of almost where that first shadow is to kind of land it. Alright, keep practicing and let's see it. So on these shots you had your feet really wide, almost like a golf shot. Now get your feet a little closer together, get your weight forward, and just rock the shoulders. So much better. How'd that feel?
It felt a lot better.
Yeah.
I've never really known how to play
A chip like that?
Yeah, a chip like that.
No, so feet, do it again. Feet narrow, weight forward, and your shoulders are really just rocking it. Yeah, but that'll work out better than the other one. Alright, Emilio, how far out are you after your drive?
About 130 uphill with the back pin on the 2-tier.
I love it. So hit about how far roughly? Would you like?
I'm going with a pitching wedge.
I like it.
And just try to just get above these trees.
Mm-hmm. I would say you did it. On the green, we're dancing. How'd you feel about that?
Felt a little bit better. I slowed it down a little bit more than I
And you hit it better than any other time, I feel like.
Yeah.
Nice. That was a good shot. We're on the green in 2.